good vibes. Is this, sorry guys, is this a high street?
No, it's Broadfield Barton.
Barton?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. But this is the main,
Broadfield, yeah.
this is the main shops and everything, so there's no other shops.
There's one in Tollgate Hill, Premier.
But this is the
main.
alright, thank you very much. Look everybody, yeah, big up the general.
Just with the local there, man. You
Yeah,
know
come
what
on.
going down there?
Yeah, good vibes. Man,
A
them
good
blessed and
vibe, a
everything.
good vibe, a good...
It's alright.
It's alright. I see you got your dirt back though. How fast does that go?
About 20,
Good
20,
stuff.
30.
Is it expensive?
Yeah, you could say so.
Yeah? Have a good day, man. Understand? You have to come down here to see it, but this place is like a maze. The maze of Broadfield, that's what I'd call it. The maze of living in the maze of West Sussex, because look at this. Richardson Court, we're still in Broadfield. Look, there's a shopping trolley here. Yeah, man, good vibes. Excuse me, mate, where does that lead me this way? How do I get back to the mains?
What?
To the main, like to the main roads and stuff, like the shops?
All the shops, go down there,
Yeah,
past that,
yeah,
before that arch,
yeah.
right.
Like this alleyway here, I don't know where it leads to, but let's just take a walk and understand and see what's around the corner. Should we go left or right at the end of the alleyway, people? A lot of things could be happening in this part of town, you understand? In this part here, man up there on the scooter said way, just cutting through. Understand? And we just cut through said way. So here we are today, people. Big up yourself and welcome to 24 Hour Kitchen. I'm Ringo Vision and we're here in West Sussex and I'm in a place called Broadfield. And this community here is one of the highest crime rated communities in West Sussex, people, yeah? I've been to Crawley and I just thought I'd go to some of the surrounding neighbours, and Broadfield was one of them. It's like a big, massive council estate. I'm right out here on the strip, and as you can see what the properties behind us look like, it's a little bit like this. We're in like it's a little bit countryish said way, people, yeah? But one love to each and every one of you. Big up each and every one of you that's on the journey with me. We're here, you understand, in West Sussex. Just to look a bit outside of Crawley, people. The community here seems fairly alright, fairly okay. Everything more seems like an estate, just walking through, really and truly. But I just thought I'd just come and show you guys, the community, quickly. I just want to thank each and every one of you that's been supporting, especially all the commenting, and I'm trying to get back to everyone that's been replying to us in regarding being banned for 7 years in Croydon, everybody, yeah? So I'm going through everything. I'm still figuring out what angles and what to do next in regards to that as well. But big up yourself, everyone. Look, we're right here at Broadfield Community Centre. What's this community like here? Yeah, we're here at Broadfield Community Centre. Like I said, just gonna walk through the place quickly, people, yeah? And just show you a little bit of what this community here is like, you understand? So, by them saying that this community's got a very, very high crime rate, at the same time, it looks very peaceful and very quiet, but it's saying that this place here has got one of the highest crime rates here in West Sussex, people. I'm literally just taking a stroll through the place, you understand? Just having a quick look. So you can see how it looks. The setup around here is very much different, people, yeah? It seems like you can easily get caught up in this type of part of town, the way the houses are situated, and you're just in here, like you're just like, you can easily get caught up around here, you understand? It's like a big estate, but it's houses, you can walk through different parts. mad. This setup here is mad. Look. So when they talk about crime rate in these parts of town, we're probably talking about things like burglary, car thefts, street robberies, and like I said, a community like this, if crime rate is high, you can tell why. It's the way the place is situated. You understand? You're in an estate, and if you're keeping up to no good, there's just bare corners and crevices and corners where you could just be, you understand? And as I'm walking here and I'm just walking through, I've never been through none of these places before, you understand? But even just coming up here, welcome to Broadfield people, yeah? They said that this estate around here is one of the highest crime rated communities of West Sussex. If you are watching this video, wherever you're watching from, put a comment in the comment section if you've seen any type of estates that's kind of situated like this, people. I hope I can find my way back outside of this estate. It seems like everyone in this community here will most likely know each other, you understand? I haven't seen any shops inside of this part of Broadfield. But if you've ever heard of this community, put it in the comment section. But it made sense to come and check out this place because it's been ringing bells as one of them high crime rated place. So I just wanted to actually come down here and check it out and see what this place is like. Understand, I'm actually coming to Broadfield myself. Big up yourself, everyone. The mission continues. We've been tackling the homelessness in Crawley. We're going to be taking on maybe once a week at least, travelling up to Crawley to come to this community. You understand? Not specifically Broadfield, but where we was in Crawley in town. You understand? There's a lot of homeless people living in Crawley. Okay. So we've got Broadfield Estate, which is a massive estate, people. Just walking through it to show you guys this estate. They said it's one of the highest crime rated place in the West Sussex. They said that in every 1,000 people, 140 are committing crime in this part of town. Out of every 1,000 people that you see, so if you see a 1,000 people in one spot in this town, try now say 140 of them committing crime. You understand? That's what the statistic says. Really and truly, Finsbury Close, Broadfield. And as you can tell, yeah, Newfield House over there. As you can tell, yeah, you see down here, you're actually out of London, so the scenery is a lot different. They'll classify this part of town out of London, they'll classify it as a county lines. And what a county lines is a spot that people go to hustle. You understand? It's one of them areas that people will go to make their hustles. So let's go to the map and have a look. So Broadfield, Kensington Road, this is the map. Finsbury Close, just walked through there. We just walked through there as well. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So as you can see how the whole place is situated in there. And now we come back out on the mains out here, and then there's another side to the other side of the estate, you understand? The medical practice here in town as well, right there. When you come to certain parts of England and certain old estates and things like that, yeah, you kind of see a lot of garages, and sometimes garages are occupied by the council and you can actually rent them from your local council as well. But a lot of the times garages are already taken up and be used by residents, but sometimes you can get access to a garage still. So the type of houses that they got here is some bungalow type of houses. Very, very different from some of the houses that we'll actually be seeing in London, you understand? But yeah, man, good vibes. What I've noticed with this local estate here as well, yeah, is that there's bare crevices and corners, you understand? Like this alleyway here, I don't know where it leads to, but let's just take a walk, understand, and see what's around the corner. Should we go left or right at the end of the alleyway, people? Put in the comment section quick, left, right. Where should we go, left or right? Should we go down that way? We're coming from that way, so let's go right, this way. Yeah, man, good vibes. We're in a Broadfield, people, yeah. I was just taking a quick walk through. Them said this is one of the rarest places in West Sussex. Alright, I wonder where this leads to. The community around here seems very peaceful though, I'm not gonna lie. I've hardly seen anybody, but bearing in mind it's a weekend as well, so people might have gone out in town doing shopping, whatever it is. It's cold outside as well, so maybe people are just tucked away in their yards, just kick it back as well. It's winter, it's like the peak of winter right now. You can tell that this estate here is, part of it is wood, part of it is concrete. It's pretty much clean. You don't see I ain't seen a lot of like rubbish and debris just flung down and dumped off, you understand? But yeah, alright. So it's got the woodlands up in here as well. So imagine living in an estate, you understand? And if they're saying that this is one of the worst crime rate places, a lot of things could be happening in this part of town, you understand? In this part here, man up there on a scooter Sedway, just cutting through, understand? And we just cut through Sedway. You can see anything on the journey Sedway, people, yeah, but we just pass through quickly and just show you how I go on. Broadfield, people, yeah, big up Broadfield. Anybody that's watching that's been to Broadfield before, that can give us some more information on Broadfield, and you understand, put it in the comment section. Big up yourself, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. They need to fix up on this. Yeah, this is for the kids, but come on, you can't have the kids them in town playing on these. Need to fix up. Look at that. And they say this is for your youths to come outside and play. Kids them can't come outside and play. Nah, man, the kids them now come outside and play on this. Well, I guess so. This is all they've got, but need some new instrument them for the youths them. We say dirt bike in it, yeah. What's this area like? I'm just doing a YouTube vlog, innit?
Oh,
If you don't mind being on camera.
Oh no, that's so cool. Yeah, it's alright.
It's alright. I see you got your dirt back though. How fast does that go?
Like 20,
Good
20,
stuff.
30.
Is it expensive?
Yeah, you could say so.
Yeah? Have a good day, man.
Alright, sweet, bro.
Bless. Alright, so you used to say they use air in Broadfield. I wonder where I go on, what's over there in the woodland. I see like they got like something like a little setup over there in the woods. But like I said, we can see anybody on the journey, people. We just see them youths there. They got their dirt bats because it seems like this part of community as well. It's got bare forest. It's got bare forest up here as well, people, yeah. Big up Broadfield. We're gonna take this left here. We're not gonna go too deep into the place, but we're in the place, you understand? Because that seems like it's all foresty. Remember, say we're on foot said way, but it seems like people can go all the way down there. You know, it's mad. It's mad. It's like a big old estate, but it's connected to the woodlands as well. And as you can see that I'm walking, bam, you can cut through here, go to our next piece down there. Let me zoom in the camera, look a bit. Wow. Mad Broadfield, people, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, this part of Broadfield here, or this part of West Sussex here, kind of reminds me a little bit like Jaywick. You understand? It doesn't seem like it's a community, like an upper class community. It seems like it's a community that's also got a lot of council properties here. Maybe like private, maybe people that's own their house as well. But here, I could be wrong, but it seems like there's a lot of council tenancies here, and that's provided by the local council of West Sussex. You understand? So maybe you might not see a lot done in certain communities, only because of the council that they have in operation and how they look out for their local community. You understand? But like I said, look, there's bare garages here in this place. I hope I could find myself back to where I'm going, back down into Crawley Town, people, yeah. But yeah, man, we're in a Broadfield, people, and we're just taking a walk through Broadfield. One man there come out of his yard down there. But like I said, on this journey, I ain't seen much. I could imagine the activities, if they're saying crime rates are really high in this place, I could imagine the type of activities that really go on in these back parts of town, Sedway. You understand? You have to come down here to see it, but this place is like a maze. The maze of Broadfield, that's what I'd call it. The maze of living in the maze of West Sussex, because look at this. This whole place is like a maze, bruv. Remember I tell you this, look. It's like up and down hills, really and truly. I'm going up and down. I literally thought I could come down here and bust a left to get back over there, but you can't if you go through the maze. Mad thing. Richardson Court. We're still in Broadfield. Look, there's a shopping trolley here. Yeah, man, good vibes. Excuse me, mate. Where does that lead me this way? How do I get back to the mains?
What?
To the main, like to the main roads and stuff, like the shops.
All the shops, go down there,
Yeah,
past that,
yeah,
before that arch, do a left,
yeah.
right, left, right, and keep going. It'll get you to the back of the shops.
This little place is like a proper little maze, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Broadfield. Alright, cheers, mate.
Yeah, so not this turning,
Yeah,
one, and then it's left, right,
left.
right, left. When you're out beyond the shops.
Alright, cheers, thank you. Back of this turning. Left, right, left, right, left. Like you see it. It's a proper little maze I'm in. I haven't seen much young people here. Like I said, it must be a decent-ish communities. I wonder if it's this left. Let's just take it anyway. Left, right. it must be a decent-ish community. Look, like I said, the floors are clean. It's not got much rubbish. And normally you see in places like this, yeah, if people can do fly tipping, what fly tipping is people that's clean up rubbish and debris or have done jobs, clearances, and they'll come to parts of towns like this and just dump loads of rubbishes in alleyways. But I haven't noticed any of that type of dumping going on, so it must be a fairly good community at the same time. In the values of the housing situation, that goes into the classification of what happens within inside of your community as well, because if your community is facing a lot of poverty and your council's not doing much to change things within inside of your own local community, yes, the crime rates will get a bit higher than other local communities, you understand? And remember, what is crime rate? Crime rate could lead from anything to fighting, abuse, drugs, theft, loads of things, do you understand? I'm sure I came from up here, left, right, left, right, left, right. I'm gonna go right back here still. I think we was back on that track over there to the woodlands, I think, yes. All right, so let's just go down this way, people, yeah? Good vibes. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, we're there, man. Just look out for the walking tours, because like I said, yeah, when I go to different communities and whatnot, I'll definitely, like let's say, for instance, I go to a main town, I'll go to the look outside surrounding towns as well. I just check it out and just show you guys the outside surrounding towns. Like you see me in Crawley. This is some outside area of Crawley, not too far outside of Crawley, people, yeah. Still a part of West Sussex Council. So even places like Gatwick Airport is very close to here. The seaside, the Brighton, Bournemouth, them sea coastline there is very close to here. London is not too far from here as well. A little 45 minutes back into London city, people. So it's not far out of town. You understand? It's easy to get to. So you could imagine that. People that have family and friends in these parts of town, they will definitely find it easy to travel here. Maybe not in the expenses wise, but in the sense of just coming here, it's like a little 45 minutes. It's like a half an hour on the train. You understand? Kids them out playing right now, people, yeah, so good vibes. I think I found myself back to the shops, which is down there, I think. Let me just double check. I wanted to check up there to see what I go on up there as well. Yeah, man, Broadfield, man, big up Broadfield, our good vibes. We're there. Our good vibes, people, so I'm just doing a proper okay. Yeah. See the place, I said, see the shops them there. So I reach where the shops them reach, people. So yeah, man, a good little walk through the town. So now I know where the shops are, and the shops are down there. Let me just take a look, a walk around the air, said way, and I just go from this way back around, you understand? A good vibes. Yes, people, so yeah, man, it was just a quick little walk through Broadfield. It's a decent community, said way, but yeah, man, I thought it was good. Because I've heard about Broadfield. I've heard a lot about Broadfield, that it's this, it's that. People do all sorts of things up in Broadfield. You understand? So I just thought, raw, Ringo, go check out Broadfield and show the people in Broadfield yourself. You had a curiosity to go and see what it was all about. So, like I said, in different communities, different things happen at different times of day. You understand? And yeah, I come here today and it's a very peaceful day up in here. Big up, big man. Well, go on, you right? What's this community like, big man?
Pardon me?
Broadfield, what's this community like?
No, mixed, bro.
Huh?
Very mixed.
It's very mixed?
Yeah.
Multicultural?
Yeah. Mauritian,
all right.
Spanish, yeah, very
okay,
mixed.
Thank you. You hear that the big man say the community is very mixed. A good vibes then. And so a good vibe, so yes.
What happened to this band they give you?
Huh?
Why?
Oh, mad. It's mad. They're ridiculous. It's fighting, man, still.
Fucking hell, bro. They're always trying to stop people, innit? They're always trying to stop people.
they're just fighting the thing, man. I'm down in Crawley at the moment cooking.
Yeah?
Yeah, feeding the people them down there now.
No, that's cool. Wait, today you been this today?
Yeah, I just thought, let me just come to Broadfield to just check out the area, innit?
Alright, my G.
What's the area like, though?
Yeah, it's banging, man. Banging.
Yeah.
Banging, we go, banging. Hey, you doing everything, though.
Now, respect, look, look, everybody, yeah, big up the general.
Just with the local there, man. You
Yeah,
know what
come
going down there?
Yeah, a good vibe. Man,
A
them
good
blessed and
vibe,
everything.
a good vibe.
Yeah, man. I got the kitchen on down in town still, so I just come up here to just check out the town, said way.
I'll be going down there in a minute. I just came to meet a friend, innit?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright,
I'll see
love.
you down there. I'll be seeing you in town.
Yes, people, I just come to Broadfield and I just met some good people here in Broadfield. So, yeah, man, like I said, you come to different communities all over the UK and you're gonna meet people. You're gonna see different type of people, said way. You understand? And this community coming like a multicultural community as well. It's a multicultural community, innit?
Of course, multicultural, yes. I am from Ghana.
Yeah. How long you been here in
Oh, fuck it. I've been here almost 23 years.
long time, innit?
Long time.
Okay. But this area is a nice area.
Yeah.
Yeah? Have you?
Yeah.
With the shopping trolley?
Yeah, that's it.
I'm in Crawley at the moment in the town just cooking some food.
I've heard. Yeah. I saw
Yeah.
the Crawley Talks.
Yes. So
That's amazing, yeah.
I'm down there cooking the food today, innit?
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah. Yes, brother. Respect. Yeah, man. Yes, people at Broadfield this, so yeah, man. Broadfield is a decent community. It's a bus stop, yes, still. Coming like it can take you back into town, said way. Alright, so we've got a row of shops. This is the let me spin the camera around for you guys. Grand Bay Restaurant. Well, it's kind of quiet for the main strips. Got a gambling shop here. Tandoori and kebab. Hello. Good afternoon. It's got a Choi kebab fish and chips here. Poundland is there. The pharmacy doesn't seem like it's open. And we've got a grocery store. This is good to see. This is good to know when you come into a completely different town and you can see things like this. Yam, cocoa, sweet potato, cassava, edo, coconut, ripe plantain, green plantain. Let's look to see if we see some pumpkin. Obviously we're gonna see pumpkin or something like that because they got everything else. They got potatoes. Yeah, they got turmeric. They have all the essential things that Ringo Vision use when he's cooking as well, people. Yeah, so it's good to know that when I come down into Crawley, there's actually a store here in town that's providing the things. Oh, right, they got butchers in here as well. Okay, so this shop probably is supplying Broadfield as a community with the meat and vegetables, said way, people, yeah. So it's a good vibes. The man there back there working. Sorry. Yeah, man, a good vibe. Big up yourself, big man, you right?
Good.
Yes. Yeah, good vibes. Yeah, no, the community here is blessed. A good vibe. Yeah, it's a nice community. They got beer stuff in there. Avocado pear, guava. You understand? They got beer things, so good vibes. They got the dragon fruit in here. This is like £5 for 2 people, so you can see that it's not really a cheap fruit. Oh wow, look, they got the jackfruit as well there as well, people. So yeah, man, come down to Broadfield if you're in Broadfield and you're looking for food, said way, to cook organic food, our food. So they do have it here in Broadfield. That's the Poundland store here. This is like the strip. This is like the high street. This seems like it's a high street. So yeah, man, a good vibes. Is this, sorry guys, is this a high street?
No, it's Broadfield Barton.
Barton?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. But this is the main,
Broadfield, yeah.
this is the main shops and everything. So there's no other shops.
There's one in Tollgate Hill, Premier.
But this is the,
the main.
alright, thank you very much. Yes, people, so it's good to know that as well. This is the main, look, Broadfield home. So this is the main shops for that supply this local community here. So our good vibes. Yeah, man, we was just over on that side walking through the town as well. Get a little bit more presence of people outside this part of Broadfield, but yeah, man, one love to each and every one of you that's been on the journey with us. I mean, it's a good vibe so far. Yeah, man, and big up Broadfield as well. Broadfield's a decent community. One thing I've noticed, I haven't seen any homeless people, so that's really good as well, because we're tackling the crisis of homelessness. So especially when we go to places and we ain't seen homeless people, we love that. We love that. We want to see less homeless people on the streets of England and around the world, people, yeah? So yeah, man, our good vibes. Yes, everybody, so if you want to see me come to more communities like this and more places like this, just put it in the comment section, because I'll be visiting loads of different places. Yes, I'll be cooking as well, but at the same time, if you want to see the outside locations and the inside of towns of different places other than the cooking as well, leave it in the comment section. One love to each and every one of you. Big up yourself. Today we visited Broadfield, people, yeah, over in West Sussex. Our good vibes. Broadfield estate as well, to be precise. Good vibes.